Hi my friends, it's Ian here. I wonder if you can help me out. Okay, I've heard lots of people complaining about focus issues with these cameras, the DJI Action 3 that I've bought. I used it in my last video. I've not had no reports that it looks out of focus, but you can tell me. You let me know what you think. Is it out of focus or not? Please leave your comments down below. Or give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down, that's another way. And if you wish, you can subscribe to my channel, which is all about outdoors and camping and whatever. Okay, so you can help me out by letting me know in the comments, or thumbs up or thumbs down. Okay guys, I think the microphones work and I hope so. I've got it a little bit different to what it was before. And with the dog, let's try some focusing issues. Now, we've got a tree. Now that's about a foot. Is that in focus? Let's just alter the exposure a minute because we are a bit overcast. Okay, you tell me if that's a bit better because I've just put +1 on the exposure. It looks gorgeous on the screen. What do you think, Mashiba? But when we nip from one thing to another, like this, does it focus more or less straight away? Let's have a go at this. Okay. Well, what about this? Hello, sheep. Sheba, look at me. Come here. Give us a cuddle. Good girl. Can you see my doggy okay? Okay, so let's have a look. I'm not going to put you in the water. Don't worry, you won't get wet. Because I've got my microphone plugged in the side so it's not waterproof. But just built this little bridge over my little water feature, look. So let's put you on a selfie stick and we'll give you a zoom up the waterfall. Are you ready? Let's go over the grassy bit. Morning, Mr. Heron. Been there all night, he has. Not caught out yet. Let's give you a zoom up the waterfall. Is that still in focus? Under the little bridge. There you go. Don't get wet. And it's coming out there, look. Gorgeous. Excellent. How about that, guys? Is that in focus? Is that in focus? That's about a foot. See if it's in focus as we get nearer. It looks alright to me on the back of that, but we'll see what it's like when we put it on the we're looking at sheep. Sheba dog. Where are you? Hey. She's looking at something. Very alert, this dog. She's after postman. Now, I'm not quite sure whether I've got this set on wide at the moment. I'm not sure. Can't remember where I put it on. But I will put on the video what settings I've got. Shh! Look! It's an otter. Keep still, guys. Keep still. Hold on a minute. There's an otter here. So look. Swing your hand. There he is. How you doing, Dave? You alright, duck? Let's That's about 6 inches away now, 4 inches, 3 inches, right on top of it. That's a duck. That's for the creeper crawlers. That's about a foot away. Let's have a look. Zoom. Let's just go in. I'm not zooming in, I'm going in. It still looks clear on the back of this screen. So you tell me, are we out of focus? Or did I get a good camera? You tell me. Let's come around the back of here. I'll show you where that comes out, look. Gorgeous. Should we do a slow-mo? Let's do a slow-mo. Let's have a look at these flowers here. See what that's like. That's about 2 inches away now. But they say the optimum is a foot or 30 centimetres. What's the bark like? My wife's got lights everywhere, look. Okay guys, it's a bit cool out here now, but here we go. Not got too much sky in, so am I in focus? What do you think to the quality? Because we're set at 4K, 30 frames a second. I'm going to have a look at whether I'm in wide or whether I am in standard, and there's an extra wide as well. Should we do one of them? Let's do one. Then we'll know, won't we? Okay guys, right, the videos before were all in wide. This is really wide, or the widest we can go on this. So let's do a standard, see what that's like, see if the quality drops in either of those. Okay, this is standard. So what we've got is 4K, 30 frames per second. The exposure is +1, we said, and this is in standard view. Okay, now using the grid lines on this as well, I'm bang in the center. Okay, so what's the quality like? What is the quality like?